Hi Vlogtober, did y'all forget about me? I just left the gym. I need to catch my breath, man. I need to make a return for those clean skin towels. I bought the one for the oil. Why can't I get you guys to stay? The oily skin and the blemishes, and that's not the one I use. And it was like $7 cheaper on Prime. So I just ordered those and they got delivered with my laundry detergent. I also ordered some phone cases. They said they were supposed to be delivered by 3, but I don't have good service, so I don't know if it got delivered or not. So I'll be picking that up, and it's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. So hopefully, oh girl, it's probably gonna be traffic time. It's fine though, because I got all my work done. I don't have to be home at no specific time. It's been a really chill evening, and it looks like it's about to start getting dark definitely by the time I get home. I'm gonna check traffic really quick, and I might have to get gas when I leave my dad's. Yeah, I'll probably do that too. What should take me 25 minutes is taking me 40 minutes. Are you kidding me? At this point, I might as well just go home. Like, how bad do I need my packages? Like, this is my dilemma. This is why I keep putting it off, because by the time I finish the gym, I'm like, oh, I don't want to be in traffic, but if I don't go get my stuff, girl, I should have gone like this morning, but I had stuff to do. I low-key want to go to maybe like a Foot Locker or Journeys or something, and for sizing, because I was doing some research on some Sambas, and the colorway I want, it's like brown. Can't find it anywhere, but I don't know the sizing, so I'd have to order it online. I think Foot Locker had it online, but people were saying this is not for people with wide feet. You know what I'm saying? You be spilling over, or size up a whole size, half size. So I would prefer to try it on in whatever colorway they have, just for the reference of the fit, since it's men's. And then that way I can order them. They're about $100, which I don't think is bad. And I feel like they'd be a really cute sneaker for the like day-to-day wear. I think they'd also look really cute with my trousers or wide leg jeans, especially in the brown, because I have a lot of brown, like a sweater, a brown sweater with some brown trousers and then some brown Sambas and a cute suede bag. Like, it's giving fall. They come in leather finish, but then they also have a multi-brown colorway, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I ordered them from Journeys, then like they showed it in stock. The next day I got an email, oh, it's on back order for 2 months. I'm not waiting until December, give me my money back. So I called them this morning and told them to cancel it, and they did. So I'm trying to find them in store. I don't know, I'm impatient. I just want my things in person. Alrighty guys, I'm really out here getting my steps in too. Shout out Gymshark for the tracksuit. But I did my return. I went to Sephora, smelled so many perfumes. It's so dark. I have the biggest headache. The one I'm really loving is Autumn Vibes from Replica. Obviously I was looking for a fall scent, and then there was one that was super sweet and creamy, like a gourmand, warm gourmand from Valentino. It's really good, like Donna in Rome or something. So I don't know, I just couldn't commit to spending $200, $150 on a fragrance. But I also have an Achillean scent, and then I have Miu Miu over here, which it's very strawberry. It's kind of funky on me, I'm not gonna lie. I don't love it, but Autumn Vibes. I have Jazz Club, and it's kind of similar, but not really. It's brighter, I would say. But anyway, I'm going to my dad's. I am so hungry. I am debating on whether or not I should go pick food up. My Amazon says now it's going to be delivered between 6 to 8:15. So, I mean, that's in about an hour and 15 minutes. If I grab food, I can hang out for a little bit. I don't know, but your girl needs to eat something. All I have is my meat stick from Chomps. Shout out to Chomps. These I always have post gym, so I guess I'll just have one because it's 10 grams of protein, only 100 calories, y'all. And if you buy them on their website versus like Traders, you can get 15% off at checkout all the time with my discount code AKDoll15. But there's nothing over here. Hello guys. Some rice and some lamb, half chicken. Rice, their hummus is so good. Maybe I'll do that. How do I get there? Traffic was horrendous, mind you, getting back in this area. Terrible. Terrible. What am I looking for? Or I could do, I don't really want Chipotle. Last time I had Chipotle, first of all, it didn't hit because they got rid of the honey chicken. I don't know, is it the beans? Is it the corn? Tore my stomach up, y'all. I was so bloated. I don't know what it was, but I cannot do that. Let me put in here, hello guys. Less than a mile away. Oh, that does look really good. How do I get there? Yeah, because there's no way I'm gonna make it. By the time I get home, it'll be like freaking 9 o'clock, man. But 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I should be okay. I left at like 3 o'clock, so he should be fine. This is the best flavor. I haven't tried the taco one, but I'm tempted to order. But I like the jalapeno. It has pieces of jalapeno. It has such a good flavor. I'm really unsure why they asked me for a tip when they gave me a broken fork. Y'all, and the lettuce was looking sus. I'm not eating that lettuce. I could get hummus, olives, there's rice, half euro, and chicken, and then this gross lettuce. It's like, you see that? That's just nasty. So I'll be eating this over here. I got these new iPhone cases, y'all. This one kind of gave me the vibe of the Road one, minus the spot to put your lip gloss, but I have a blue phone, so not every case looks good when the camera is exposed. But I like the silicone cases because whenever I drop them or put them, well, really throw them around the gym, they're fine. But this is super cute. And then I wanted a maroon one for fall, so I grabbed this. What's up? I don't even ever change my cases, so I was like, this would be perfect. Oh yeah, the reviews did say this will show your fingerprints in dirt. But it's literally the same case, just a different color. Cute. Ooh, I like that one too. I'll link these on my Amazon. Okay, this one's for my dark clothes from the laundress, the classic set, so I'll link you guys to that. And then I got my sleep one for my sheets and my towels. This is my favorite. They need to make it in the bigger bottle, the way I go through it. And I got my face towels, the original ones. Back with the bad lighting. I got my packages, I ate my food, and just sat around the kitchen. Well, my sister was making her meal prep, and it was just nice, you know, bonding time. I'm getting my gas right now because there's no way I would want to be rushed in the morning to try to get some gas. And I'm wondering with my phone case if this, because it's so textured, if it's gonna be mag safe, you know, like to charge wirelessly. So I'm gonna have to check, and I'll let you guys know, because that'd be the only thing I'd be concerned with that case. The red one, I don't think it would matter, but it's definitely showing some prints because it's so glossy. And yeah, I had such a good day. Well, let's just say a productive day and very fulfilling. I always say whenever I get to go see my family or whatever, it just makes my day more complete. And now I kind of feel like I've neglected my son because he's been at home since 3 o'clock, and it's, by the time I get home, it'll be what, like 9? So that's the only thing. We'll have cuddles and I'll watch Love is Blind. I was trying to catch my sister up with how bad this season is. Oh my god. The man that she has, I could go on and on. I don't know what's wrong with him. Crying in the bed. I feel so cute in my little tracksuit. I told my sister I feel like a PE teacher. In a cute way. Y'all, I'm so ready to get ready for bed right now. Lily has his snack. Y'all, this vlog, the whole lighting is just a mess. I don't vlog at night for this. Oh, this reason. Terrible. All yellow and dark in my house. Ugh, it's just so much stuff to put away all the time. I wanted to test my charger. I use a pad. See? Oh, guys, I'm actually shocked. It still charges, so that's good. Now I'm so excited to like wash the day off, put my hair in a bonnet, put on some cozy clothes. Are you kidding? I've not brushed my hair since I left for the gym. A mess. I do want to try my new lip mask. I'm gonna keep that one in my bathroom. I keep one in my nightstand, and it's just always nice to have an extra whenever I'm doing my morning and night skincare routine, or whenever I just feel like I need a little touch up when I'm in the bathroom. It's just nice to have. So it's the little things, man. And then I don't know if I'm gonna make it through a full episode of Love is Blind, but I'm gonna try. Half the time I'd be snoozing anyway, but it's just so bad, like you have to keep watching. It's crazy. But I'm gonna put my little skin towels away. I just washed my cup. I had such a good day hanging out today.